I don't think this is like the go-to thing in survival.
No.
Get the chair going first.
New seat, because the last two are broken, so I'm hoping this one is going to last the night, guys. It's a good start.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. That's what you said last time.
I know.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We are sitting in the middle of a beautiful valley.
Took us like 2 or 3 hours, I reckon, to be honest. But
pretty much.
Finally found the spot. Reasonably close to a road, which is a bit of a pain in the.
Aye, understandable. It's quite popular with the bikers and that as well. So.
But it'll do.
It'll do.
It's on the river. We want to get you a video on the river. And just if you like these kind of videos, this is the time, the place, the moment to hit that subscribe button. Okay, we're going to do a YouTube bargain. Bargain. What do you call it? Oh, it's there and there, and there and there. And then make a comment. Maybe hit that like button. And if you really feel I'm a bit juicy, there's a notification bell button somewhere as well. It's got to be done. It's got to be done. Yeah, no, we're gonna chill on the banks. We're gonna make a wee fakeaway. We're gonna do some chicken tikka kebabs.
Yes.
So we'll get those chicken marinating soon. We'll set up our hammocks. We're gonna bring you along with us. Yeah. So hang about, grab a drink.
Mine's up there.
Yours up there. Wanna get it? I got it. And basically just enjoy the journey.
Enjoy.
Take you on a journey you've never experienced before. Cheers. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Oh, it's different. Oh, yeah. Oh, not that far away. There to there. I think I am. Is that right? Oh, oh, hello. That's fair. I haven't got that out. Are we nice and smoky? Oh, oh, yeah, okay. Hey, okay.
So you go yeah. Trouble with that.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a tree just behind you guys.
Oh, that might be pretty smart.
Alright.
Then we can talk to each other. Then we can talk to each other when we're sleeping.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
Alright. Cut to us with the hammocks up. Cut to us with the hammocks up. Oh, yeah.
So that's the hammocks up. Going to have a bit of a cosy one. We're right next to each other. That's the hammocks up. Got a nice cosy setup. One Tigris underquilt. Hammock. Little blanket. Bit of a Frankenstein job with the tarps, but it'll do. We have to adjust it as well. Might see a little swing ball bag here. We've done this because it's going to be a cold night. We are in the middle of a valley,
Yeah.
so a bit of body heat. And after this, I think the plan is we're going to marinate some chicken.
For the chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka.
Yeah.
Let that settle today. We're going to soak it in the river.
Keep it cool.
Keep it cool.
Yeah, marinate for like 3 hours, something like that. Keep it cool in the river, and then we'll put them on skewers.
Yeah.
Chuck them on pita breast, stick in some of that red onion, a little bit of rocket, a bit of sauce, and Bob's your uncle. Alright. A nice wee fakeaway.
I will get some firewood going. Get one started. Keep our walls totally warm. And just have a good night.
Yeah, just love it.
Yeah.
Should enjoy it.
Be good.
Yes. Oh, it's nice that you cleaned that, yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus. Start again. Only reason being, there's no way I'm putting all that. You see that juice in there? There's no chance.
So, what's up with you with this juice?
I don't like chicken juice.
But it's just. So we've got some chicken direct from the farm, and definitely not from a major retailer.
No.
And it also definitely was not pre-cut.
Farmer fresh. We've also got Greek yogurt directly from Greece. That was important to us today. Yeah.
We've got spices that are actually genuinely from Tunisia, because my sister went there and this was my souvenir, I suppose.
Yeah.
So we've got some harissa, which is basically a pakora.
4 spice, curry, paprika. Nah!
Danger.
Oh!
Sticky.
Saffron and a little bit cumin to finish it off with. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're just going to get that yogurt in there. Just get it in. Get that in there.
So we'll just add select these herbs and spices, I think. Opens up. Just needs a little bit of season.
Right, chicken's marinated. Not bad for DIY outdoors.
No?
Didn't really have anything else to use, unfortunately, but we're amongst friends here.
We are, yes.
So we're going to chuck it on the water for 3 hours, and that'll give it time to marinate, keep it cool, and then we're going to get on skewers, and then yeah, food's going to be ready. Right, chuck that on top, please. And then in the water.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, okay. Terrifying. Oh god, fingers. Come on. Keep coming. Bastard.
That's it.
Just going to slowly feed that in. That's right. That flame going. Try and get some of the smaller ones on my lap. If anyone's interested, this is just dead reeds from the side of the riverbank.
Dead reeds in the hay.
Ryan started with what? Dead grass.
Grass, yeah.
3 attempts, not too bad.
If they're still
We weren't
watching,
prepared for the first two.
yeah, if they're still watching, they're probably interested.
I think they will be.
Hopefully.
You don't always bother,
No,
to be
But-
fair, but
you need to keep yourself on your toes, you know.
fuck. No, that was video. Yes.
You want to put the meat on, you'll put them as such, and you'll think, we'll turn that, and then you turn it and you lock it into that.
Alright, okay.
So there's a little contraption there, you know.
I like that a lot. Can't really probably put that direct to fire.
This, yeah.
Actually, you probably
well,
put it
more
across
or
the
less.
stones.
precious stones, all the embers.
Do you want to try one for the people?
Yeah. It's amazing. You leave some washing out and it just gets done.
I leave it on the floor and somehow it's.
I know, it just gets picked up. It's absolutely
Not only
fun.
get picked up, it gets washed.
Picked up, washed,
put back in
ironed.
the
I
water.
don't know who does it, but someone does it. It's good, like.
That'll do me for this one. You putting some more harissa on it?
I think so, mate, yeah. Because there was salt in this, and I think what is missing is a wee bit of that. No, so just have a bite. It's a good result, guys. We're going to finish off this. I think we're going to crawl into our hammocks because it's getting cold. And we're going to have a good night's sleep, hopefully.
Yep. Catch you in the morning.
See you on the morrow. Thanks for watching so far. More chickens on.
Oh, you fucking fire stuck now.
Oh, that's good. It's like it's planned. You're just fucking sitting there, Dick.
Eh?
You're just sitting there.
I'm waiting for you to wake me up like you did. And then you go. There you go.
Fuck's sake.
People, not for us. I want to be tired, you know. Oh, you're talking about mine or yours? Yours is probably. Yeah, exactly. You had the style. Sorry.
Morning, guys. You can see we woke up to some pretty stunning views there. Got pretty cold as well. We're down to 82 degrees Celsius.
2 degrees, yep.
Little blanket did its job. Undercoat did their job. It was just getting up for a piss every so often. It kind of stole the heat.
Yeah, it's always annoying when you've finally got warm and you just
Yeah.
bursting at the gusts.
Aye. We slept in a bit today, so we are just essentially going to skip breakfast. We're just going to clear up cabs and head on out and start probably planning the next one.
Yeah.
If there's anything you'd like to see, then obviously bang a little comment and below. And we'll see you on the way out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything anyway, don't worry.
Okay.
Let's go. Right guys, thank you if you got all the way to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We've had a great camp. You enjoyed it, yeah?
Yeah, it's been good. Good.
Nah, we've got great views here. Love being next to the water as always. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what you want us to do next. Got a couple of ideas, but yeah, if there's any suggestions, we will potentially do it.
Yeah, could go up the hill, take some bivvies, a little bit more bushcrafty.
Yeah.
We enjoy it all, so let us know.
Right, we'll see you in the next one.
We'll
Thank
see
you
you.
very much. Good night. And good night.